Welcome to Speech on Success.
Question 1. What type of government was established in France after the revolution? Correct answer B. Republic. Question 2. Which philosopher advocated the separation of powers that influenced French reform? Correct answer B. Montesquieu. Question 3. The economic crisis in France before the revolution was mainly due to correct answer A. Wars and extravagant royal expenses. Question 4. The Estates General consisted of correct answer A. Clergy, nobility, and commoners. Question 5. What was the immediate cause of the French Revolution? Correct answer B. Dismissal of Finance Minister Necker. Question 6. The tennis court oath was taken by correct answer C. Third Estate members. Question 7. The tennis court oath declared correct answer B. Establishment of a constitutional government. Question 8. Who among the following was not a French philosopher? Correct answer C. Locke. Question 9. The National Convention abolished monarchy in correct answer B. 1792. Question 10. The French Constitution of 1791 established correct answer B. Limited monarchy. Question 11. Who compiled the Napoleonic Code? Correct answer A. Napoleon Bonaparte. Question 12. What was the significance of the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen? Correct answer B. It proclaimed equality and freedom. Question 13. Which European monarch was executed during the French Revolution? Correct answer A. Louis XVI. Question 14. Who was the finance minister of France dismissed before the revolution? Correct answer C. Necker. Question 15. Which French revolutionary leader was assassinated in his bathtub? Correct answer B. Marat. Question 16. Who said after me, the flood? Correct answer B. Louis XV. Question 17. Which revolutionary calendar was introduced during the revolution? Correct answer B. Republican. Question 18. The revolutionary motto liberty, equality, fraternity first appeared in correct answer A. Declaration of Rights. Question 19. Who wrote What is the Third Estate? Correct answer B. Abbé Sieyès. Question 20. The fall of Robespierre marked the end of correct answer A. Reign of Terror. Question 21. The Revolutionary Tribunal was established to correct answer A. Judge enemies of the revolution. Question 22. The National Convention proclaimed France a republic on Correct answer A. 21st September 1792. Question 23. Which social class benefited most from the revolution? Correct answer C. Bourgeoisie. Question 24. The French national anthem La Marseillaise was composed by Correct answer A. Rouget de Lisle. Question 25. Who was the leader of the Girondins? Correct answer B. Brissot. Question 26. Which country declared war on France in 1792? Correct answer D. Austria and Prussia. Question 27. The French Revolution abolished Correct answer D. Slavery, monarchy and feudalism. Question 28. The Committee of Public Safety was established to Correct answer B. Protect France from internal and external enemies. Question 29. Which class formed the majority in the Third Estate? Correct answer B. Peasants. Question 30. Which country was influenced most immediately after the French Revolution? Correct answer C. Belgium.